Most founders check their phone 40 times a day to just check one thing: is my business okay? Today, I will turn that into just a 5-minute question. Think about it. Last time you sat in a team review meeting, everyone presented their slides, 40, 50 slides, long dashboards. You spent hours, maybe 2 hours, and when you finished that meeting, while just leaving that room, you were thinking, is my business really doing well? That's not a meeting problem. That is a visibility problem. Most of the founders that I work with, they have a problem. I call it a 3-screen problem. They have a WhatsApp on their phone. They have Excel on their laptop. They have a dashboard which their team must have created in 2021, which no one opens today. Imagine your WhatsApp screen today. WhatsApp shows 47 unread messages from different team members, and the best part, every message has a different data which is coming to you. And the Excel file which is on the common drive, which was updated on Thursday. Now only God knows which Thursday that file was updated. And how did we forget about dashboard? Dashboard showing 20-30 parameters. Really don't know which one is really helping your business to scale up. Now you have so many Excel sheets. You don't have a data problem. You have a decision problem. You're not able to make a single decision from this data point. I am Sunita Petnikar, international business coach, and I work with founders to help them build strategies, systems, and teams which will help them to scale their business so that their business keeps growing and they have time to do things which they enjoy the most. In this video, I will tell you how to do away with this Excel sheet and start paying attention to parameters which will help you to scale up your business without costing anything to your business. And I call this system a 5-minute dashboard. 5-minute dashboard has only 3 key parameters, 1 sheet, and just 5 minutes to review it. That's all it takes to know where your business is heading today. Now, as a founder or a business owner, you want to know only few things. When you get up in the morning, you want to look at just one report and understand, is your business doing well? When you are in the client meeting at 3 p.m., you don't want anxiety, tension. Is everything working fine in the office? This is not a luxury. This is how the well-built business looks like. And here is one area where most founders go wrong. When they want to build visibility, do you know what they do? They build bigger dashboard. Bigger dashboard means more metrics, more colors, more columns. In fact, one of my clients a year back showed me a report which had 47 metrics. Now imagine 47 metrics. And when I asked him which of these 3 really helps you to understand if your business is growing or not, and his answer was, I don't know. 47 numbers, 0 clarity. This is not a coincidence. This is a huge mistake. As a founder, I want to tell you just one truth. More data does not mean more clarity. More data only tells you that you have more places to take decision, and sometimes you may miss that decision. And there is second mistake in the dashboard. Most founders track what happened in the previous month and not what is going to happen in this month. That single difference tells you if you are leading a business or just following it up. We all know we have something called monthly review meetings. And in monthly review meetings, what we look at is a previous month's data, last month's revenue, last month's orders. And when you look at this data at the end of the month, you can hardly go back and change this, because by the time you look at this data, it is history. You cannot go back and change those decisions. It is as if you are running your business from rear view mirror. The question is not what happened last month. The question is what you can do this month. What is that you can change? Now that single difference can make your business either scale up or stay stagnant. The question is not what happened last month. The question is what is going to happen this month and what is that you can still change. Those are completely different questions, and just one of them gives you power to scale your business. Here is a solution to all these mistakes. As a founder, you don't have to get drowned inside the data. You want to understand this data and stay on top of it. Think about a pilot. Pilot does not crawl into engine at 35,000 feet. He only looks at 3 parameters to see if the plane is flying fine: altitude, speed, and fuel. Your business also has those 3 parameters, and you need to check only 3. The first one, revenue momentum; second one, health of pipeline; and the third one, operation capacity. It is very simple. If all 3 parameters are stable, you are at peace. If one is off, you start investigating. And if 2 are unstable, then you act today. Let's look at all 3 numbers one by one. Number 1, revenue momentum. You start looking at revenue. Are you ahead of your revenue target or falling behind? Let's say you have 10 days to complete the month. You can look at your revenue run rate and decide if you will really achieve your target or you need to do something else. Now, when you start looking at revenue day-to-day basis, you can actually take corrective action. This is a leading number. It helps you to look at what is going to happen and not what already happened. Number 2, pipeline health. How many qualified conversations are active now, and how many of this conversation will close to give you the desired value for the month? If your pipeline is thin today, your revenue will be thin in 30 days. That is your early warning. Number 3, operational load versus capacity. It is all about, is your delivery team stretched or underutilized? Most founders miss this parameter unless they get a quality complaint from a customer, till their best person leaves just to know that she was doing 150% of the team's work. Here are 3 things: revenue momentum, healthy pipeline, and operational capacity. Let me help you to set up this in your business. 3 steps this week. 1, 30-minute meeting. Call your team today and show them these 3 numbers. Assign 1 owner, 1 number, and not a committee. Then you tell them that you need an update every day by 9 a.m. That's it. Step 2, 1 shared report. Create 1 Excel file, 3 columns, 3 owners, update their details by 9 a.m. That's all. Your report is ready. This way, you're not micromanaging. You're only look at what is important and if it is in green zone. If it is green, go ahead. If it is amber or red, then you pause and ask, what is the plan to improve it? I have created a simple template and the link is in the description. Download it for free. Step 3, 5-minute morning ritual. Every morning at 9:30 and not 11:30. Even before you get to those back-to-back calls, look at this report and ask this question to yourself. Is there anything which is surprising me today? If there is something surprising in one of those columns, then you call the owner and ask for what is their action plan to address this. And if there is no surprise, then close the sheet and lead your business from strategy and not from crisis. Now, I want you to imagine what would it feel like not to look at your phone 40 times a day, not to worry during the meeting if business is okay. Imagine knowing in 5 minutes that your business is good today, your team is operational, your revenue is on track, and your pipeline is healthy. This is not a dream. This is how the scalable business build a system so that their business keeps growing and the owners are doing things which they enjoy the most. If you want to take this further, I have an invitation to you. As a founder, if you want to understand the structural bottleneck in your business, then I request you to do the assessment and the link is given in the description below.